Jani King is committed to helping stop the spread of the coronavirus and keep your employees and customers safe. Jani King's well-trained and educated cleaning and disinfection technicians follow safety protocols when providing cleaning and various methods of disinfection applications for any facility. Our technicians wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, while providing service at any customer location. Upon request, adhering to CDC guidelines, our trained professionals deep clean every surface of your environment before using state-of-the-art equipment such as electrostatic sprayers that positively charge EPA-approved disinfectants. When applied correctly by Jani King technicians, the EPA-approved disinfectant can kill germs, bacteria, and viruses in minutes. No matter the size of your facility or the type of industry, Jani King's technicians stand ready to meet your cleaning and disinfecting needs. In today's market, the safety and well-being of your employees and customers is essential to your business. Jani King professional technicians are ready and willing to keep your employees and customers safe. Make sure that you trust only the experts at Jani King. Contact Jani King today to find out more.